June 16, 2020, the date which left the whole country shocked and livid. Okay, so you must be knowing about the Ladakh face-off, or you can say the Cold War between India and China. This has become one of the biggest military confrontation in over 5 decades. And it has led to 19 army soldiers, personnel and 1 colonel killed. On 18th of June, the Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi spoke to the External Affairs Minister of India S. Jaishankar, and they both agreed to a cool down tension on the ground as soon as possible. Yet, the situation hasn't yet been grounded. The face-off has led the entire nation in shock. On 19th of June, it was specified that the India and China military talks are on a positive note, and the control over the Ladakh region had been ended on 18th of evening, and that was on a positive trajectory. However, nothing had moved on the ground. There were reports that stated that apart from those 20 martyred soldiers, there were more 10 Indian army soldiers missing. And of course, China too suffered a few casualties, numbers in single digits. As there were more attacks, India was worried about the soldiers. Though the soldiers had the weapons, the Air Chief Marshal R.K.S. Bhaduria paid a quiet visit to Leh Srinagar. IAAF, in view of massive clashes with China, which led to 20 army personnel killed. I repeat, 20 Indian army personnel killed and 76 injured, and 10 of them were missing. And then India decided to put all its frontline bases in the 3,500 kilometer de facto, also with 30 MKI Jaguar, Mirage 2000 aircraft and patched attack helicopters. Hashtag देखो चीनी कम, जब तक शांत है अच्छे हैं, शेर के मुंह में हाथ डालोगे तो चीर के रख देंगे और सीधे आर्टिक पोल में जाके गिरोगे। फिर वहाँ पर मनाना अपना चाइनीज़ कम्युनलिज्म। हमसे पंगा मत लेना, इंडियंस हैं हम। अच्छा, उनको छोड़ो, आपको आगे बताती हूँ. On June 21, India had rejected the claim of China of sovereignty over the Galwan Valley. And you know what? These Chinese used to keep an eye on the Galwan Valley since mid-May, and they used to keep an eye also over the troop who were patrolling day and night in the Galwan Valley. That day, Modi sir had also stated that neither is anyone inside our territory nor is any of our posts captured. और आपको पता है क्या, इन सब के बाद ना मैंने चीनी को भी शक्कर कहना शुरू कर दिया. Late but not last. Okay, really, like, I don't know how we're going to stop or boycott these Chinese products, because apparently whatever we use in our daily lives are of course from China also. So all I want to say is कि जल्द से जल्द हमारी country एक self-sufficient country बन जाए, and so that, you know, we don't need any support from any other country just to get some products or anything else. And also that I have gone ahead and I have deleted all the Chinese apps which are there in my phone. And of course, I know you must have also done it till now. And all I want to say is that this video was just to appreciate this hero who motivated me, who inspired me to make this video. And I'm also making this video to inspire more people to make more and more, and that will create many to make this hero happy, and that will be the biggest gift for them. और चीन को मैं एक बात याद दिला दूँ, हम हिंदुस्तानी चीनी को नमक नींबू पानी में घोलकर पी जाते हैं, तो कृपया करके हमसे दूरी बनाए रखिए. बेवजह हमसे संपर्क में आएंगे तो आपको ज़िंदगी भर के लिए मुश्किलें झेलनी पड़ेंगी, तो कृपया करके हमसे दूरी बनाए रखिए. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. So you know the drill, like, share, comment, subscribe. And also, if you want more live updates and more updates about the current happenings, you can just go through the description box below. I've mentioned the link. And yeah, that's it. Also, I want to tell you, I have a small surprise for you guys on Sunday. So please be updated.